everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be playing an untitled game about a goose or something like that. Yeah, untitled goose game. I'm going with the red folder. Red's my lucky color. Yeah, trust me, I have a lucky color. Look at my gaming chair. I've gained 45 subscribers in this thing. Honk, 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 honk. Yay. Bend down to pick things up off the ground. Oh. I'm gonna save you, Boot. Don't worry. Sandwich, delicious. I don't see no one. To-do list. Get into garden. Okay. Get the groundskeeper wet. Steal the groundskeeper's keys. Okay. Make him wet and take his keys and enter the garden. Oh, that's what that did. Okay, there's keys. And oh, 2 in 1, 2 for 1. If I go here, will I be able to get it? Oh yeah, and by the way, I was able to fix my find my webcam, so you guys can finally see my beautiful face. I know, right? Isn't it just gorgeous? I think he's locked in, or locked out, I mean. Oh? Since when does my achievements go up there? That's never happened. Should I be worried about that? What's this? Don't mind me, Mr. Groundkeeper. Oh, a hole. Where does it go? To Neverland? Oh, what's next on my to-do list now? Rake in the lake. Okay, I guess that. Have a picnic? Bring the picnic. Bring to picnic blanket. Sandwich, apple, pumpkin, carrot, jam, thermos, radio, what does that last one say? Maybe, I don't even get paid. I don't get paid enough to read cursive. In fact, I don't get paid at all. My job's free. So make sure to get me to 500 subs so I can start making some money. I need money, man. I want to get a turtle and like just to get the turtle and all the stuff it needs, like 400 bucks. I counted. Not normal for me to do during the summer, trust me. That's how I know I want a turtle. Yeah, I hope they don't notice that I'm kind of... Oh, thank God he didn't notice somehow. Maybe it said that little basket right next to the sandwiches and stuff. Yeah, that's not suspicious. A whole pumpkin. Probably. Maybe it did. I'm not too sure. Yes, that's what it said. Perfect. And then it wanted these, and then the radio, and then the stuff that I put near that hole. And then I have to rake in the lake, and I have to make him, oh yeah, and a carrot, and make him wear a sun hat. I don't know how to do that. Maybe I have to steal his hat or something. That would make sense. There, now I need to get back in there anyway. I don't have a radio. It wasn't me, man. Hey, man. Need to grab a carrot. Yeah, I'm sure he won't notice a carrot missing. He's probably gonna just be happy to be back in his place whenever he gets his keys. Oh, sorry, if he gets his keys back. I don't even know where they are right now. Oh, there they are. Alright. Hey, man. I'm just escaping with a thermos. I don't know how he didn't notice me with this. How am I even holding this? My mouth would have to be the size of this rock to hold the side. Like, I mean, like, width, not length. What's that? A bell? And then I have to get his rake and put it in the lake. Wait, why did I get the apple? Here, you can have your apple back. Take it, man. Take it. I only need the jam. Then I'm done with the picnic thing. And then I need to put his rake in the lake and make him wear a sun hat. Oh, no. Oh. He just forgot about his jam. Oh my god, that guy is dumb. He deserves this one. Like, he kind of deserves me doing this. Like, wow, he just kind of forgot about his jam. There we go. I have the picnics crossed off. I need him to get in, though, because I don't know how he's going to get a sun hat without his keys, because he needs to get in. Take him, man. Okay, there. He was focused on the thermos. Oh my god. I have to get him inside somehow. Wait, oh yeah, the rake, I forgot. Where is the rake? Where's the rake? He has one, right? Okay, good, he does. Quick, oh, that counts as the lake, okay. Make the groundskeeper hammer his thumbs. What? Why? Or how would I do that? Oh. Okay. Okay. I have to honk. Oh. I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh. Hold on. Wait, that's how I steal his hat, I think. Hey, bro. You have to put it back in. Okay, good. He still reacts even though I'm this far. Okay, that's good. Oh no. Okay, gotta go. Yes! I've done everything here. Or in the other one. Complete the garden to-do list. Let's go. Where am I now? Oh, what's this? Break the broom? What broom? I don't see a broom. I'm taking your glasses. Oh, that broom. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Trap the boy in the phone book. Make the boy wear the wrong glasses. Oh, it's a good thing I took his glasses then. Trap the boy. Make someone buy back their own stuff. Oh, maybe I take this guy's toy. You're welcome. I just gave you inventory. Be grateful. Yeah, man, you might want to do that. Trap the boy in the phone booth. Get on TV. How do I do that? That way, boy, to the phone book. To the phone book. Oh, he's calling her. Okay. What? Oh, I'm on TV. I'm famous. Mom, get the camera. I'm famous. You'll never catch me. That was funny. Make someone buy back their own stuff. Go shopping. Put in the bucket, basket. Toothbrush, toilet paper, I guess. Hairbrush, canned food, cleaner, and fruit and vegetables. Okay. Hey, that's rude. Man, this thing looks rusty and crusty in every way. Okay. Well, everybody, that's the end of the video. I know it was short, but that's because I know for a fact that this game is very short. So every video on this is going to be a bit short. But this is the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!